Hello guys, welcome back to another video, another live I should say. We'll be doing some paper 1 multiple choice questions for CXC Math. That's coming up next week Monday. So feel free to come in. You can say hi if you want to, and I acknowledge you. But if you don't want to say hi, you're not forced to. And you can feel free to give me a thumbs up if you want to. But don't give it to me again and take it back. I don't really like that part of it. Hey, young DK, welcome. It's good to have you here. Welcome. So as you know, guys, I always start off with the homework that you were given from yesterday. I'm to make sure today, Lord. So yes, guys, I think I'll be here today for 2 hours or so, because I have to go on the road to pick up something that's very, very important. So young DK saying the answer is D. Alright, young DK. I'll see you. Feel free to. Hey Janelle, welcome. Feel free to tell us how you got the answer. Give me a sec, guys. Hey Nai, welcome, girl. You must be saying I didn't send the kids on your thing today. After I went on the road and come back, mommy take them to church. Mommy took them to church, Nai. Mommy took the kids to church. So when I got home, I'm telling you, I was so shocked to see the house empty. But welcome, guy. Nai, thank you very much for that share out. I appreciate it. Yeah, that's true. They have fasting every Wednesday, so that's the reason. So now I was I'm gonna have to talk to you on my place name on Instagram or maybe on WhatsApp about something. I'll talk to you about that when after the live finish. Just remember you can contact you there. So guys, if you're here for the math, guys, feel free to start the question and share your answer with us. If you're confident in your answer, you can feel free again to tell us how you got the answer. Cooking, Nafisa. I don't know. Nafisa. Okay. Hey, Cooking House. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me. How are you? I am doing great. Giving thanks for life. How are you? Nikisha. Hey, Nikki. Welcome, welcome. Girl, are you up so early? No, sir. Like you're not sleep. You're up early, Nikki. Today Wednesday, so maybe are you cooking? Because today is Wednesday, so maybe you're cooking today. Let's say wake up so early. So yes, guys, I'm gonna wait a few more minutes just for some other persons to join us. And then we kick off the ball, hopefully for 2 hours today, because I have to go on the road. So we'll make the best of what we have, guys. And sister, I like your words very much. Thank you. Thank you. I am your great friend. Alrighty. So if you're not familiar, I'll come over there and see you as well. After the live is finished, I'm gonna have to write your name down because when I leave this live stream and I'm trying to remember the names of persons who I met here, I am not remembering anything. I'm gonna write your name down so I can go look for you in Nafisa Cooking House. Even yesterday, I met about either 2 or 3 persons I met yesterday. I couldn't remember the name after the live stream, I'm telling you. I couldn't remember their name after the live stream. So 10 minus 7 will I give you 954? No, 495 divided by 3. Then you multiply that by 20. Okay, young DK. So because they gave you Christine, they said Christine got 495 more than Bruce. So you basically subtract to find the difference right there. Yeah. That's a good way of working it as well. So Christine share subtract Bruce share will give you 10 minus 7 to give you 3. Then whatever the answer you get. Buenos tardes. Buenos tardes. ¿Cómo está? Empress, how are you doing? So the 3 parts will be equal to 495. You find 1 part and then you multiply that by 20 to give you the full share, the total amount being shared. I am from Bangladesh. Okay. Bien, I'm good. Hey, Ashley, welcome. Ashley saying D for her answer as well, guys. So I have 2 Ds going on, so 3 Ds going on so far. A 2 or 3? Oh, a 2 because Janelle never responds. So a 2 and 3. I think Mr. Campbell, you're in the building. Oh my God, girl, I miss you out. I'm sorry. Welcome, Campbell. Welcome. Is it because I'm reading so many messages that keep skipping over person's name? I'm sorry. It's good to have you here again, Campbell. Welcome. You got the answer for that one, Campbell? Ashley saying D and young DK saying D, Empress saying D. Hey, Simone, welcome. Thank you for joining us. I'll be back in half an hour. Okay, pretty. Alrighty. Okay, we'll see you then. We will see you then. Janelle is saying D for the answer as well. Okay. So what we were saying earlier about the question, Campbell, is that since they said that Christine got 495 more than Bruce, and we know their share in the form of ratio that is 7 for Bruce and 10 for Christine. You can find the difference between the two by saying 10 subtract 7, and whatever answer you get, that will be equal to the 495. So 3 parts is equal to 495, after which you divide by 3 to give you 1 part. So you basically find 1 part first, then you multiply that answer by 20 to give you the total amount of money shared. How we get 20? 3 plus 7 plus 10 will give us that 20. Mary saying good afternoon, Miss Kennedy and everyone. I'm just passing by. Have a blessed evening. I'll watch a live later. I'm going off to work. Okay, Mary, thank you very much for coming in. I really appreciate you stopping by. I really appreciate you coming. Safe travel now and be safe. So, cooking house, what we have here is a math class. I'm not sure we have any dancers in here. So I'm just doing a maths thing here. So we don't dance here. Nonetheless, if persons here are content creators and they want to meet with you, they can do so. But what we do here is math. Okay? So I'm not sure if I have any content creator in the house here, but if there are any content creator who want to be with you, they can feel free to go and dance with you. But this channel is mainly focused on math. All right? So Maker is saying, is this a normal CXC paper 1? Are you asking the questions are from the CXC council? No, they're asking. All these questions are sample. Never. No, what? No comment. What does that mean? I don't know what that means, you know? But these questions are multiple choice questions. They were created based on the knowledge I have of how the questions normally come on the CXC question or the CXC exam. They were not lifted from the CXC questions or past paper question. They may look similar, but they were not taken directly from that to tell me to make friends with anyone. Let me see if I can type and maybe the person understand me as it. So guys, we're gonna start in the next minute. So give me a sec. Let me respond to this person in worded form because they're not understanding. So at no person name now Nafiza. If content creators are here, they will see you. All right, guys. So let's get on with this, guys. So look at camera turn on, light not turn on the phone. So come on, so dark. So all right, guys. So let's get on. So I only have 4 persons responding to me. Do I have anyone else here willing to? Miss, do we need to know more than the 7 theorems for the exam? Because I. So in all, there are 8 theorems, but one of them is basically telling you that two tangent that they're equal in lengths. So it's basically 7 of them. If you know those 7, you should be good. You should be good, JJ. All right. Knowing those 7, you should be good. But the one that make it 8 basically is showing you the line with the two tangent meeting at that point, and they say the two lengths are equal and all that stuff. But you're good from that. Once you know that those the 7, you should be good. So guys, say that sum of money was to be shared among 3 friends, Albert, Bruce, and Christine, in the ratio of 3:7. Which would feel so funny today? So nothing. Which would feel weird. 3, 7, and 10. If Christine received $4.95 more than Bruce, determine the sum of money shared. So what we do, guys, is to find the total amount or the total parts first. Miss, don't understand to do wage. You know me have some wage question, but I don't know when I'm ready. All right, before the live finish, Spence, I'm gonna see if I can find any question on that, and I'll be sure to leave it here. So guys, we have different ways of approaching this question. We can first find the difference between the amount shared by saying 10 subtract 3. So Christine share subtract Bruce share, and we can find the total proportion. How do I spell pro? Total proportion by saying 3 plus 7 plus 10, which will give us 20. All right, so the total we have here is 20. Okay, Cooking House, I'll see you. So it's gonna be 10 minus 7 to give us 3. And so this 3 here is representing 3 parts, and that's equal to the difference between Christine and Bruce. So it'll be 4.95. To find one part, since we want to find the total amount of money they shared, it's best to go ahead and find one part. So you'll say 4.95 divided by 3, and this will give you 165. All right, so it's money. Let me put the money sign beside it. It's 165, and we know the total part amounts to 20. So we'll say 20 times 165 to give us 3300, so 3,300. And that's how we get D to be our answer. If you wanted to, guys, you could say, add them up and say 3x, 7x, 10x will give you 20x. So x would be the amount you're trying to find, or the money that was shared. After we do the same thing, 7x minus 10x minus 7x to give you 3x. Then you say 3x is equal to 495. Then you, Miss, could you go over that? So you mean go over this method or another method? This method? Is that what you're saying? Go over this method or another one? JJ? Should I go over this method or another method? Is there a simpler way to do this? All of them basically the same thing. All right, so first you find the total parts, basically adding up all the ratio. So it's gonna be 3 All right, so we're gonna call it 3x plus 7x plus 10x. Since as we don't know the total amount of money that was shared, so it's 3 out of 20 times whatever money that was shared to give you each portion. 7 out of 20 times the amount of money shared to give you for Bruce. 10 out of 20 times the amount of money shared to give you Christine. So the total part here will give us 20x. All right. So I'm just having 20x be the total parts. You then find the difference between Christine and Bruce. Since as I said, Christine received $495, $495 more than Bruce. So what we do is to find the difference between Christine and Bruce. So we'll say 10x minus 7x, because that was Bruce, that's Christine. And that will give us 3x. So we know that the 495 here represents the three parts. So 3x is equal to 495. If you want to find one part, you go ahead and you divide by 3 on both sides. So divide by 3 here, divide by 3 here. So x is equal to 165. So this represents one part. After having the one part, you want to know the total. And we found the total here to be 20 parts. So we'll say 20. X is equal to 20 times 165. And that will give us the same number, 3,300. You guys follow so far? Which paper should I do first? I'm gonna do that one here first. So the goal is to find one part, guys, and to understand that the difference between Christine and Bruce will be the any amount of money that Christine got more than Bruce, which would be the 495. Come on, phone, go past silent because you're disturbing live right now. All right, guys, let's try this question because people not responding to me already. Let's try this question. Hope you all can, or maybe I should move the one from below. Let me move the one below. So let's try this one, guys. Let's see what they are seeing. Please bring back those. Alrighty. So I'll have do more. So I'll have more for tomorrow and more for Saturday. I'm gonna do the marathon. So do more. Alright. Let's try this one. King, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here, King. Welcome. So persons are saying B for the answer. So ABC, PQR, and AQD are straight lines. ABC is parallel to PQR, so ABC parallel to PQR. And we know what when you have parallel lines and a transversal, what happened between that? Co-interior angles, supplementary angles, angle in a straight line, same as supplementary, and alternate angles are formed. All right. So they're saying that angle BAQ, so BAQ is 35, and BQA, so BQA is 90. We're asked to find the angle at X. So the angle at X is basically right here. If you should complete this triangle here, guys, you will know that an angle here is missing. Okay? So you first have to go ahead and find the angle that is right here. So we know angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if we know 90 and we know 35, we can add those two and subtract it from 180 to give us the missing angle that's at B. Okay, so to find this angle, you would say 90 plus 35, and that is going to be taken from 180. Hey, Omar, welcome, welcome. So 90 plus 35 here is equal to what? So that's going to give you 100, and I'll give you 25. So it's going to be 125. So 180 minus 125 is equal to 55. So that's 80. So 55. So the angle here is equal to 55 degrees. So we have two things you can do here, guys. We can choose to say that this forms a Z angle right here, forms a Z angle. You all can see me tracing it right here. So this angle is equal to this angle. So this is 55. This is also 55. All right. So we say X is equal to 55 degrees. We could have also said that since as this angle here is 55, we can find over here, all right, which would be 180 minus 55. So the angle right here would be 180 minus 55. Why do I say 180? I'm going to straight line equal to 180 degrees. So all of here should give you 180. You know this will be 55. Over here will be 180 minus 55 to give us 125. All right. Then you can say that these two angles are co-interior angles as they form between the two parallel lines with the help of the transversal, which would be right here. So if here says 125, this angle here will be 180 minus 125 to give you 55. So you have different ways of working it, guys. Once you understand how to do it, do the way that is easier and simpler to you. All right. Let me know if you all understand how we get this, so we can go to the next one. How are you doing, Omar? How are you doing? So everybody who said B, very good. Shall we go to the next question, guys? Alrighty. People say they understand. That's good. That's good. Okay, here we go. So we have to convert 89 to base 5. Convert 89 to base 5. We have to convert 89 to base 5. So I'm hearing B. Is this answer 4 or okay, this one is my answer. All right, okay. JJ saying B for this one. So whatever base you're converting to, guys, that's the number you divide the 89 by. Whatever base you're converting to. You draw the oh, I'm stuttering. Is this add math? No, this is a CXC Math. So with bases, whatever base you're converting to, that's the number that you divide by. So what you need to do is to draw your remainder chart. So we're gonna have 5 into 89, and you're gonna have the remainder on this side. So you draw your remainder side. And Miss, I never see this kind of question. Yeah, it do come. Yeah, they come. They come. So we're converting from bases. If you have the Raymond Tulsi book name, everything a Raymond Tulsi name. The Raymond Tulsi book, you'll see it there. They convert from bases, man. They do conversion. Most persons they don't test it. But it's on the syllabus and it is still there. Convert to binary, to base 10, to octal, to different kind of bases. So guys, whatever base we're converting to, that's the number that we divide into the given number, especially that this number is a base 10 number. All right, so we divide the 5 into the 89. And when you're reading, the answer you read upward. So whatever you read from this direction, you read from the bottom to the top, not from the top to the bottom. Okay? So do that for me and let me have some answers. So 89 divided by 5. So 5 into 89 will go what? 17 times. So that's 1, that's 3, that's 7. And the remainder for this one will be 4. Then you continue again, dividing by 5, going down till you have 0 under this part. So persons are saying B, B, B. Okay. Gerald, yesterday I brought the questions for you and you weren't here. Trust me. I know it's you, Gerald. I know it's you. I was asking for you yesterday like crazy. I did the questions you asked. And I did the first one today again for the homework. Let me show him, guys. I'm going to just put the paper across the screen. So about a question like this one for you, Gerald. And you weren't here. We did about 3 yesterday. Either 3 or 4 we did yesterday. I think I have another one here though. So all is not gone, but I think I have another one here, I think. No man, that's okay. That's not have to be sorry. That's okay. We have to do what we have to do, you know? That's fine. You can always go and watch the video though. The video is up. I think YouTube maybe the finish processing it. I think it's up though. I'm not fully sure right now. I think it's up. So come guys, send me some answers, please. Please, me I beg you some answers. Anybody, somebody. You asked me Instagram again, I tell you last time. No, sir. All right, JJ saying B. Okay, JJ, I see you. So only have like 3 persons responding to me, guys. You know, and talk to me today. Don't tell me to tell my voice already. Don't tell me to tell my voice already. Because the live just start. All right, you're the same B as well. So you want help. So since it says you convert 89 to base 5, we're going to be dividing 89 by 5 and you draw your remainder chart. So 5 into 8 goes 1 time. So you put the 1 right here. You're left with 3. You put the 3 here. 5 into 39 goes 7 times. Because 5 7 is 35. So the remainder is going to be 4. Then you say 5 into 17 goes 3 5 15. So that goes 3 times. Yeah. So we have a 2 being left over. Then we divide by 5 again until we have 0 under here. So 5 into 3 goes 0 times. So the remainder is 3. And I was saying to you all that we read upwards. So we're going to say 3, 2, 4 to base 5. So 89 is equal to 3, 2, 4 to base 5. Tell me if you get that one, King. And so the answer is B. So whatever base, guys, they ask you to convert to, that is the base, that is the number that you divide by. All right? Don't let try to trick you. Miss, this question new to me. Seriously? I don't even know which people me to go look on right now. All right, let's do this one. If you have let me see that. Let me see it. Let me see it somewhere. I'm not sure remember which paper me see it on. Me no know. But me know miss also do it in. Yeah, we do it in IT as well. We do it in IT. So good, yeah. I think it's called Hexa, something to 16 or 16 or Hexa something. I don't remember what 16 be, but 16 or something. We even got to base 16 as well. And octal got to base 8. We got to 1 or something. But yeah. Let's do this one, guys. So it should be pretty simple to you. You apply the laws of exponent to this one. And the law that says power to a power, you multiply them. So if you have an exponent raised to a power, which is raised to another power, you multiply the powers. So the rule is am to the n is equal to am times n. All right, and if you can simplify the Venn bracket first, you can do that if you want to, or you just multiply the powers and keep the base that's there. And I'm seeing A from 5% so far. Okay, guys, very good. So it's gonna be 2, 3 times 4. It's gonna be 2 to the 12. And it also could be, guys, that you could simplify the bracket first to give you a 2 to the 3, gonna be 2 times 2 times 2. Gonna give you 8, 8 to the 4. But so far, 8 to the 4 is not here. So they could have had 8 to the 4 in the answer. Okay? But it's not there. So we have to use this one. 2 to the 12. So the answer is indeed A. Alright? This one got messed up at the side. Now, forgive me. Think I'm not even sure something was saying about it. So this one, guys, I was sleeping while drawing this graph, so y'all don't penalize me right now, okay? Don't penalize me. That should be a curvier graph, but something happened and something go down. So yeah, but nonetheless, see it here. So the diagram below shows the graph y equal x squared plus 2x minus 3. We're asked to determine the domain for the function. And we know that in functions, relations, and graph, we call x values domain and y values range. All right? So they say they want the domain. You are expected to list x values, or you tell the region that satisfies a particular function, or the range of values lie between two numbers. But in this case, it lies between two numbers. So go ahead. I think you all can see it. I think I wrote it big enough for you all to see. So I'm seeing A so far. Okay. Let's see if we're making an A sound for this one, guys. Something I feel right about my stomach right now. I don't know how I go on. Guys, I'm going to put that tea in the microwave. No continue working, guys. Give me a sec. I'm coming, guys. cooking. No, sir. Hey, Zan. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. What's wrong with you, King? What's wrong? Guys, we want the range of values. We want the range of values. So look on the graph and tell the largest x value and the smallest. We want the domain, more range. The domain for the function. So domains are x values, all right? Let me put that on the paper somewhere. So domain are x values. So look on your function and tell me the largest x value and the smallest x value. And you know what the signs mean. Okay? So I guess we're making an A sound for this one because almost everybody is saying A. All right, King. We're still waiting on you, King. We're still waiting on you. What the person name again? Me the person often say first I must say the question. Alicia. Me no know. Alisa. Maybe Alisa. Me no know. Maker. Cartoon maker. You give us the answer for this one? Miss, I don't understand. So look on the graph that you're given. Look on the graph that you're given. Tell me the largest x value and the smallest x value. Do that for me, guys. Tell me the largest x value and the smallest x value. Omar is saying A as well. Okay. So no one is different from the what the other persons are saying. So be honest with me now, guys. Who tried the question and who didn't try the question? Be honest with me now and tell me. Who did the question and just say yeah, A is the answer, or who just see people say A and just say A? Be honest with me. Be honest with me now, guys, and tell me. Who actually look at the question and try to find the answer, or they must say A, so I must hear the answer. Talk to me, guys, before me even go in a question. Talk to me. Okay. I try and I still don't understand. Only one person that talk to me? Guys, what's going on? All right, so let's go. Since I don't know and be honest with me, let's go. I watched the diagram. I did. All right. Let's go, guys. So the graph ends here and it ends here. So not because you see C has the wrong front value, B has the wrong dot, D has the wrong front come back. Okay. Okay. All right, JJ, I hear you. So let's go, guys. So these are the 2 points left and right of the graph. All right, where you got open and close. So right here. So if you want to, let me try, miss. All right, Campbell, try it. Hold on, try it. Okay, me try it, miss. Don't know if the answer is right. Okay, alrighty. So let us go. So I'm gonna go ahead and find where this point here meets the x-axis. So it meets x-axis here at -4, and for this one, it meets it here at 2. So I know the largest x value is 2. The smallest value is going to be a negative 4. Okay? So anything they say has 3 and 1 in it, that's totally out of the answer. How do I know that? Because we know that negative 3 and 1, they're basically the roots of the function. It tells us where the graph meets the x-axis, and we cut the x-axis where y is equal to 0. Okay? So that's the root of our function, guys. Alright, so we know anything has 3 and 2 in it is totally out. So we know this out, and we know this out. So y'all said A is completely out. After having understanding, guys, do you want to go ahead and try the question now? I've seen this in the paper several times, you know, guys. The graph cut the graph cuts at x and negative. D would be the roots. Said asking for the roots of the function. You'll tell them that the root of the function would be negative 3 and 1. These are basically the roots of the function. Alright, so we know that D and A is totally out, guys. So please go ahead and try for me now. Using the signs that you're given, alright? Using the signs that you're given, and tell me the answer from that. Some persons are saying B no, change of heart, so they're saying B. And I hope you know why you're saying B as well, okay? So if you're given a question like this, guys, since as everybody get it wrong, I'm going to have to say that on an exam condition, whether on computer or giving the paper in your hand to write with, don't look like it good, miss. I'm sorry. Don't look at it good. Oh, you didn't look at it good. No, that's fine. That's fine. But what I'm saying, guys, always take your ruler or use freehand like what I did just now and bring it down. Don't look at the point where it cuts the x-axis. Look where the last point of the graph stops. All right, like here and right here. Okay, so look at that. So you know the range of x values, or the domain, would lie between negative 4 and 2. And we know how to read these things already, that x is greater than or equal to negative 4. That means it can't pass negative 4. Okay, but it is greater than negative 4, which are negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and down to positive infinity. But x is less than or equal to 2. That means it can't pass 2, based on what they're saying here, and it can't pass negative 4. Okay, and so the answer for this one is B. Okay, guys, Miss B is no, I understand this question. B. Okay, very good. I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that, Zan. Very good, very good. So remember, guys, always take your ruler or your free hand and just make one little broken lines or one solid line go down to see where exactly the last point on your graph is and not where it cuts the x-axis. All right? So let's go to the... have the question on the paper? Or is it here? Hold on. All right, let me ease up on the brain now. Miss I understand. Okay, very good. I'm happy to hear that. Let me go in the brain a break now. I'm going to want a simple one for do. Well, kind of simple one for do. I'm going to come back to normal. All right, try that one for me. May I try bring you back to normal now? Because I'm not going to go things say, oh, it's a class you had. Ricey is in the building, guys. Welcome, Ricey. Welcome. All right, persons are saying C. And one thing we need to know that the different signs. So, this intersection sign here means and, union means or. Mean has to be in both sets. Mean you're gonna list everything. without repeating. All right, so persons are saying C. This is a C game, this. All right, let's see if it's a C game. All right. All right, the paper is finished. So you can go this one. I see your journal call to you. This fellow guy messaged me on Instagram yesterday and his boy didn't come to my class. I have people here asking about him. Like him as some top shot or some diplomat or something. You right, see? I can't find a question there today. Let me bring it all over the place right now. That one already. So everybody's saying, Miss, I was here, it doesn't. Look here. Right, see? Nobody with me. Please. Miss, I saw a past paper, hoop upside down. Hoop upside down. Are you saying a quadratic upside down, quadratic, upside down quadratic you're talking about? You can see a hoop. Right, see, me can't manage and you can name there, me you see as rice, you know, when I come, me see you come as your auntie, you know, you have somebody different. You confuse me, Rice, don't do that. All right, guys. You confuse me, Rice. So, guys, here, we know that's the intersection of A and B, and it means and, so it has to be in A and B, and so only one of these represent that, and that is at C. So that's a very simple one for you all. Let's move on to the next question. I see a sample, trust me. Let me go find a question. Where am I? Gonna find the question. Was using my cousin's tablet. Alright, Rice, big up yourself. That means you were here then. Alright, I'm not about to cuss you out then. Alright. So you never hear people ask what you yesterday, we never answer. Don't miss, where's Ricey? And I chat the whole time. I never say a word to the person who asked for you. Alright, let me say came late. Alright, boss. So what's answer for this one, guys? Persons are saying B. B. So right here, guys, you see that they're adding two exponent here. Okay, so once you add in two things and they are to the power, you know you cannot use the principle of, what you call it again? The principle of indices or the principle of exponent, because you're not multiplying and you're not dividing. All right, so if you just simplify as is, so 9 square we know is 81, and 3 square we know is 9. All right, so 9 times 9, 3 times 3. When add up these two, it should give you an answer. So the answer here is at B. Alright, me like how the one that too easy for no. Me like that, me like that. Alright, let's go for this one. So person who said B, very good, very good. If someone said otherwise, you need to check to see where you went wrong. I'm trying to find a question and I don't know where it is. I search all of this book right now. Till me tired. Alright, so maybe I don't know. So 1, 2, 2, 5. All right, people saying A for this one. So here we have a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, say 4 points on the circumference of the circle. So we can call it a cyclic quadrilateral. What do you know about a cyclic quadrilateral, guys? What do you know about a cyclic quadrilateral? Now, even though the properties of a cyclic is the same as the quadrilateral itself, because only reason they call it cyclic is because they're on the 4 parts of the circumference, or the 4 angles or the 4 vertices are on the circumference of the circle. That's why they call it cyclic. What about 360? What about 360 young DK? And what about supplementary Ricey? Those are just some random words you guys throwing at me. What's going on? What does that mean? I can't find them for. Dang. Alright, tomorrow I can come. I can. They add up to 180. What add up to 180, Ricey? So now guys, opposite angles are supplementary or add up to 180. So the angle here at X is opposite to this angle here. So we'll say 180 minus 43. Okay, I see. To give us 137. And so the answer for this one is at D. Pretty simple, don't it, guys? Yeah, pretty simple. Let me see if I'm going to the other here right now. So I'm going to one set. I'm going to one from this. I think I'm going to move the question here. And put it right here. So, yes, right. Very good. So let's go for this one, guys. For this one, I will not tell you guys how to work it. Yes, Zan. Very good. Very good. For this one, guys, I won't tell you guys how to work it. I think me just go through something like this a while ago. Oh, no. So once you know it's going to a particular base, you're gonna have to do something. This is overtime wage of employee who works a 6-hour overtime in a certain weekends. So calculate overtime wage for an employee who works 6 hours overtime in a particular week. Let me have ISR. Let's go for this one, guys. So convert 9. I miss. What did I miss? What did you miss today? You miss relation, functions, and graph. You miss exponents, power to power. You miss the remainder value chart, where you have the conversion to a base 5. You miss sum and angles. You miss sum and ratio. What else again? Sum and sets. I got stuff for me, but I don't want all heap still. Maybe 10 questions or so. Either 9 or 10 or 11, I don't know. Something like that. But welcome, Suzanne. It's good to have you here. Yes. If we still have King in the building. King, Come on, maybe this is the answer for this one. Alright, I'm seeing D. I'm seeing D. I'm seeing B. After that question, I don't have D and B for. Thank you. Something like that. Good to be here. Okay, that's very good. I'm happy to hear that. So happy to hear that. What's going on here? What's this for? Okay. I don't like question either. That can be worked. I'm going to give them this one today as well. Alright, guys. Maths, don't let me get the answer now. So some guys, send some answer for me. So remember the remainder value chart? So go ahead and draw the remainder value chart for me and match up the one here. And tell me the answer. Susan, you're wet. Rain fall. Oh, gonna make you the cry. Watch pan King, that emoji right now not gonna work. King, that emoji then not gonna work right now. Can I just explain to you what you have to do? Now you send me your hide face emoji like you have people out. Look here. Me tell you, once you're gonna convert to another base, whatever base you're converting to, that's the number you divide into the number that you're seeing. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and draw your chart. Put in the base 10. Look here, whether they want to give you 985 by itself or 985 to base 10, these two are the same thing. Okay? Just as if you see like a 3 and a positive 3, they mean the same thing, because a 3 without a sign means a positive number, and when a sign comes in front of it, it's a positive number. So these two is the same thing. So don't let the base 10 here fool you, okay? So it's 985 divided by 8. Do the math and tell me the answer, King. Divide down until you get 0 under the, what you want to call this? Not even know. Another part here. So gonna be the remainder. Let's go, guys. Let's go for this one. All right. Can I do more questions like this tomorrow? Yeah. I'm gonna bring some like this tomorrow as well. Because since that's that person having a challenge, I would normally, bring something else that's similar. So 985 divided by 8. Do the first part first. So 9. 8 into 9 goes one time. So Zan is saying B for the answer. 1731. Let's see if others agree. So goes 1 times. Remainder. How much? 1. 8 into 18. 2, 8, 16, right? Yeah, 2, 8, 16. So 2 times. So 16 from 18 if we 2. 2, 8 into 25. 3, 8, 24. And that will go 3. May I put 4? 3, 8, 24. So it's 3. And your remainder 1. Then I go 8 again into 123. And you work down. Come, King. Come, King. Shell down the question here for me, please. Shell it down for me, please, King. Shell it down for me. Shell this paper down, King. Shell it down. Shell it, shell it, shell it. I keep mixing up with another number, another one where you multiply, then reduce. You multiply, then reduce. Yeah, go figure out a way how you just stopping. Can't see the last part of it. Oh, PG, welcome, welcome. I met you last night and you're here today. Welcome. It's good to see you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Just stopping by. I really appreciate you coming by. Thank you very much. So yes, guys, let's keep the ball going. So 8 into 12 goes how much time? 1, right? And you're left with 4. 8 into 43 goes 5 times. 8 5 is 40. So you're left with 3. And you keep dividing down. So 8 into 15 goes how many times, guys? 1. Yeah? And 8 1 is 8. 15 subtract 8 is equal to 7. 8 into 1 goes 0. We're left with 1. Remember, when we're taking the numbers, guys, we take from bottom up. So it's going to be 1731 to the base that you wrote it. You divide it by. So 1731 to base 8. Let me write the word do more. So later, I'm look question. We can pick up some more question on this one. All right, guys, let's go for this one. Let us go for this one. So right here, we have the set A and set B. We're given the elements in each of them. And they say in the Venn diagram above, what is A complement intersect B complement? So right here, guys, we can relate this question to the De Morgan's law. All right? We can relate this to De Morgan's law. So all you have to do, if you can't do this by looking at it, you can go and write its equivalent. All right? Remember, it's paper 1. You're not given a restriction here, guys. Remember, it's paper 1. You have no restriction. You just do what you know if you do. All right? And make it work. So I'm seeing C from Ricey and B from Suzanne. Okay. So we all know that A complement intersect B complement is the same as A, change the sign in the middle, union B, in bracket, complement. Says everything outside of A union B. Everything outside of A union B. Okay, guys? So, Ricey, you said C. Suzanne said B. King is saying C. Let's see. Up here, see me, I say, let's see what's going on, guys. I don't know why you all be changing all these things, Miss. Back some. What am making? You know, say Miss Low Susan, Jan, Zan, Miss, I'll be back. Okay. Alrighty. Thank you for coming by. I really appreciate you stopping by. Okay, Zan, I'll be here for a while as well. Maybe 1.5 more or so. So persons are saying C. Persons are saying C. Persons are saying B. Draw the circle brighter. And so I'm going to put with some name, whatever I name, if you draw that something here. And I couldn't bother if it's traced over me, just say it comes same way. When you put it like that, it's C. No, when I put it like this or this is the same answer, pretty. Okay, John, okay. So that's what I'm saying to you guys. If you can't figure it out by looking at this, you always write the equivalent form in De Morgan's law, using De Morgan's law. And it's easier that way. Hey, Ari, welcome. All right, guys, I'm not sure. So good when it comes to the Venn diagram. Hey, Smart TV, welcome, 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 Ari. So you're not sure when it comes to Venn diagram. I did a video on Venn diagram, right? So he's saying that he doesn't understand the video, or the persons are saying it was okay. So you can feel free to go over and check it out after the live is finished or so, and let me know what you think, if it made any sense to you. I explained all the different ways how CXC could possibly bring the questions, and how you can use a shading method or the listing method to find the answer for such sets. All right, so we know that, guys, A complement intersect B complement is the same as saying A union B in bracket complement, so the complement of A union B. So we always apply BODMAS or BOMDAS or BIDMAS or PENGDAS, whatever you guys know, to this. So we do the bracket first. So A union B would be these two sets, all right? Everything in here will be A union B. But what we want is a complement of that. And we know complement means everything outside of, okay? Everything outside of A, darn it, union B. So if A union B is this part in here, everything outside of it would be this. Everything outside of A union B, guys, would be this region. So you basically identify 11, 14, and the 16. All right? So the answer for this one is C. I'm going to show you another way that you can do this in case you don't remember how to write the De Morgan's law. All right, guys, I'm going to show you another way how you can do this. Mark up the whole of my hand. All right, so here we go. So it says A complement. So I'm going to show you the listed method now. So A complement means everything outside of A. So pay attention. So say A right here. So everything outside of A would be 11, 13, 14, 16, and 17. You see? This is set A. Everything outside of A are these numbers. So I just listed them right here. The symbol is and we know this means A and D. Has to be in both of them. B complement, everything outside of B. So B is here. Everything outside of B is whatever is out there. So I'm going to go again. It's going to get 11, 12, 14, 16, 18. If you want to, you can check it for yourself. Say 11, 12, all the number you're outside of B. So A complement and B complement mean you're going to be listing all the elements that are common in both of them, because this say and. All right? So both of them will be 14, 16, 17. Let me tell some people. Am I circling 17? What else come on? 11. Yeah? So don't forgive me with that one. Coming over 17 coming to my mind right now. So 11 is common, 14 is common, and 16 is also common. So A complement intersect B complement is equal to 11, 14, and 16. And that's how you can do it if you don't know how to write the De Morgan's law. So you can do it by listing, and it will give you the same answer. Okay, guys, so feel free to use any of these, and I hope you find them useful. If not now, for the exam that's coming up, because I don't know what they're sending to us. Everybody understand what I just did? Should I go to the next question? Okay, Ari is saying yes. Come, guys, talk to me, man. Talk to me. No, miss. All right. All right, Smart TV, I'm gonna do it again. So, guys, bear with me, please. As you know, it makes no sense I keep moving on and people don't understand. All right, so it says A complement. Let's see, I can drop a set right here, so. So that's 11, 14, 16, 13, 17, 15, 12, 18. All right. So A complement means everything outside of A. Okay. So this is set A in the circle right here. So A complement mean all of here. So everything outside of A. Let's list whatever is shaded. So we have 11, we have 14, we have 16, we have 13, and we have 17. And is the intersection, and that means that means has to be in both sets. All right. Pay attention to that one. So B complement is the next set. Different color marker now. B complement is, so B is this set. The complement of B means everything outside of B. Everything outside of B is in the purple. All right. Everything outside of B, they're right here. So as me use two different color. Hopefully it makes sense. So everything outside of B in the purple would be 11, 14, 12, 18. Hope you all seen that. And 16. Did I get it right? Everything outside of B. So 11, 12. So 11, 14, 12, 18, and 16. Yeah, I think I get it. All of them. Now, A complement and B complement. So tell me the elements that are both that are evident or that can be seen in both sets. So we see that we have 11 in this set and that set. So 11 would be the first one. All right. What else common? 14 is also common. 12 no common. 13 no common. 17 no common. But 16 is common. And so we see that is whatever is outside of the two sets, A and B, which is going to be 11, 14, and 16. I will get it right here. So what I was saying, guys, if you can't remember the De Morgan's law that says A complement into and B complement is equal to A union B in bracket complement, you can always go ahead and list the values to ensure that you have them correctly. So here, young DK say I must do something. Let me do it. So he's saying I must do A complement union B complement. If you want to apply De Morgan's law to this question, guys, you'll know that gonna be A, change the sign, intersect B, put it in a bracket, complement. That means everything outside of A and B. And A and B is right here, which is 15. So we want everything that's outside of 15. Okay? So we'll have 11, 12, and I'm not going any other right now. I'm take from the side here first. 11, 12, 18, may I come here so now. 14, may I come here so now. 16, and we have 13, and we have 17. All right, guys? So that would be A intersect B complement. So everything outside of A and B. Cool? So it's everything outside of A and B. If you want to do it the listed method, you do the same thing. See, I got A complement again, which me have it on this already. But me write it again, nothing wrong. So A complement. Instead of do it again, I'm gonna just rewrite the values them. A complement me give me 11, 14, 16, 13, and 17. B complement or union. Union. B complement is gonna be 11, 14, 12, 18, and 16. Can someone tell me what this union here means? Somebody write here and tell me what union mean. What does union mean? Anybody? What does union mean? Hello? Seems like me I talk to myself here, so. Okay, it means or. Union mean universal. No, the U, like the U up here, so. This U would mean universal. But union means or. So intersect is this one. So intersect is that. Alright, that's intersect. And it also means and. The U represents union. And it means or. And this tell you, you list everything without repeating. List everything without repeating. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to list everything, guys, without repeating any of its elements. So that means once it is in A complement and B complement, we'll write it only once. So let's go. So we see that 11 is common. So we're going to write 11 one time. We can go in order if we want. So we're going to go in order. So 11 is gone. Let's go for the next number. 12 is there. Okay. We have 13. We have 14 there twice, but we're only going to write it once. Okay. We have 14, so that gone. 12 gone. 13 gone. We have 16. That gone. We have 17. And we have 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look up here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you compare them, you'll see you have the same elements as if you had done it graphically. So you have the same elements, them guys. So once you see or, it means list everything without repeating. And it has to be in both of them. So we have to remember these things, guys. Okay? So young DK, I did what you asked. I hope it was clear for you and the other persons who would have benefited from this explanation. Any question for me, guys? Feel free to go and watch the video I have on sets, guys, and leave your comment and let me know what you think, because if I'm not reaching to the people I made the video for, I need to know. All right? So far, nobody not talking to me. Let's go to the next question. Or maybe the live delay or something, I'm not sure. Let's go to this one, guys. Another convergent question. So we're going to bring that number to. Thank you very much. I understand it now. Okay, very good. I'm happy that I could make that clearer for you. I'm happy for that, Smart TV. So feel free to know the demargants, because it can be very useful and it saves a lot of time instead of trying to go list all the elements and all of that. But yeah, feel free to learn the Morgan's law, all right? Yeah, guys, we're going to go again and convert from base 10 to binary. And you know, binary means base 2, right? So the same principle apply. You draw the remainder chart. And you go ahead and you divide the number until you have 0 and a year so. So do that one for me and tell me the answer, guys. And remember, we read upwards, not down. We read going up, not down. Okay? So do that one for me and tell me the number or the answer, should I say. Like every day something bite me. No, sir. But say me tea cold again. Me know nothing to me now. Every time me hit the tea get back cold, people. Cold like puppy nose. All right, King. I see you. No. It shouldn't be headache for you. Just divide by 9 by 2 going down. Do it in the chart. Okay, King and Susan, I see you both. I see you both. Yes, Janelle, you're saying A as well. Omar is saying A as well. Alrighty. So in the interest of time, I am going to start the calculation as well. So 2 into 9, we know goes 4 times. It's going to remain the 1 because 2, 4 is 8. Alright. 2 into 4 goes 2 times, remain the 0. Excuse me. So 2 into 2 goes 1 times, remainder 1 time, remainder 0. 2 into 1, 0. Remainder is 1. So the number is going to be 1001. And you know that is to base 2. Yes, Ari, I see you as well. So guys, think about it. I have 19 people here. So the question looks like the first two ones, but it said change to base. I same thing there. Convert to base, change to base. I same thing. They're not right. They won't always use the same number. So the thing about these questions, right? See, you have to try to understand the concept behind it and what they're asking you for. Okay. So when I say change to base 8 or convert to base 8, it basically means the same thing. All right. Or they say rewrite 98 base 10 to base 2 or something. So you know you're gonna be dividing by 2 going down, and till you reach the end where you have a 0 at the bottom right here. So when they want to convert or change, rewrite, transform, whatever they want to use as adjective. Adjective name guys are an adjective method, but synonym. Wrong word me say synonym. So basically binary and base is the same. No, sir. Binary mean base 2. You have base 8. Sometimes they call it octal. You have base 5, base 6, base 7. They have different names for them. Binary no mean base. No. So instead of binary here, they could have said to base 2. But we all know that binary only have 0 and 1. So we know say a base 2 them talk about right here. So you need to know what binary mean. Binary mean base 2. So you know you have to go be 2. Cool? Alright. Let's go to this one, guys. So far, I see only know like them something here. So far, I no like sets. No know what go with no. So guys, this one has to do with number of young DK asked the same question me just answered right here a while ago. Go on Google it. Google it and answer what binary mean. Go on Google what binary mean. So we all know, guys, that the binary system, or you want to call the bicimal, BICIMAL. The bicimal only has 2 bases. Or not 2 bases, 2 digits. So we know you only have that's to base 2. So it's gonna be 0 and 1 are the 2 digits that represents binary. People who do IT will know this. So we know it only has 2. Just like decimal system that we use a base 10, because of from 0 to 9. So only 10 numbers, 10 real number actually exist between that. Are you? Ow. So yeah. So how binary comes in If we ask them people, how come up something here? I'm going to go how create binary system and tell to ask them young DK because we don't know how binary comes into this as a question. You have base 8, you have base 16, you have base 5, base 6, base 7. Then you have binary. They could have said base 2, but they didn't say base 2. Because we need to know that binary only have 2 digits, 0 and 1. So persons are saying C for this one. All right, so I'm seeing King, Young DK, Suzanne, and Ricey is saying A. So guys, we need to know that once you see the N in front of any set, it means number of elements in. Okay? So if you can't see it by visualizing or understand it by reading it, guys, you feel free to go ahead and draw your Venn diagram. It's your exam, it's your paper. Don't be afraid to mark it up. All right, so y'all know that I like to go visual already, so I'm going to go visual right now. So I'm going to be drawing my two sets, set P and Q. So P here, so Q here, so. They're saying that set P has 30, set Q 24, P and Q 9. So what we normally do first, guys, is basically observe what is common between both of them and put it in first. All right, so they say they have 9 for P and Q. And you know, and here would basically mean the intersection right here, so. The pattern would mean and. So the 9 is common to P and Q. So in set P, they say they have 30, and in set Q, they have 24. So if you want to know what is P only and Q only, know the time you take what is common between both of them and put it in the only section. So they say all of this set right here. I'm going to do this now. All of this represents 30. Elements in here, so represents 30. So we know of this 30, 9 is common in Q. So to find this region here, you're going to say 30, subtract 9 to give us 21. And so 21 will come right here. All of this region here represents set Q. Okay? And they're saying everything in this set Q is 24. To know what is in this region here, you will say 24, subtract 9 to give you 15. I hope you all are seeing this and understanding what I'm saying. Okay, guys? So now we have the, I'm going to put it in yet. Oh my bad. So that's 15. Cool? So now they're asking us to evaluate the number of elements in P intersect Q complement. P intersect Q complement, guys. I find these hard to understand. Right, see? You see that word you keep and I use the H word there? You need to drop it. Drop it like a bomb, right, see? Because if you not drop it, it'll go shell you. And that's a serious thing, me I tell you. Even if you know something, you're not going to know it because you keep on tell yourself, so you find it hard, or you find it this, you find it that. It can be possible. I won't say that you're lying. It can be possible, but you have to try and your best to drop certain things. You see what I say? All right, guys. So P intersect Q complement is the same as saying P only. All right? And how we know that? If you want to go graphical again, identify this, you can. Because you know I like to go graphical. I can show you how to go graphical. So let me use a different color marker. So with P, P would be all of this region here. Pay attention for me, guys. All of this region here would be P. So that's set P. All right? And Q complement is everything outside of Q. So this is set Q, but everything outside of Q is this region here. Okay? Everything outside of this region here. But you'll see that this region here was shaded twice. And because it says and, or you want to say intersection, it means and. That means it has to be in P, set P and the Q complement. And so this region right here so has the double shading. Right here so have double shading. If you all see it so far. Right here so have double shading. So this region here represents P only. Okay? And so P only is the same as saying P intersect Q complement or P and Q complement. So everything in set P would be P, Q complement, everything outside of Q. But because it says intersection, it means and. So you're going to shade whatever is outside of Q and take whatever is common. Let me say, whatever is shaded twice. All right? So whatever shaded twice will be this region here. So the answer is exactly C. So somebody said C. All right, guys, very good. And I hope I added some clarity to whatever you knew before. So let me know what you guys think about this question. Should I bring more like this tomorrow? What's going on? Talk to me, guys. If you don't talk to me, I don't know what you're thinking about as it relates to math. I don't know how you see the questions. I don't know what's going on. And you all know I'm here to help you all. So if you don't talk to me, see me alright. Yes, Lord, my. Do more. Okay, do more. All right. Guys, don't be afraid to talk to me now. Don't be afraid to talk to me because make the classroom now wait, so no feel free to talk to me anytime. You know, don't behave like me a stranger in here. Me a some bully. Let me see if I have any more questions behind here, so no do it. No. Them you do already. All right, let me find the next question I want you to do. Then, boom bang, we're gonna move on. I'm not going to no more set questions to do right now. I'm just giving a 2 to do. So bring some more of these tomorrow on the basis. Yes, pretty. I will. All right. So one question here. If Gerald, are you still with us? I think this is the last one I had. I had about 7 of the or 6. Either 6 or 7 of the ratio questions. And I think this is the last one I have. So if you're still with us, Gerald, and people stop talking to me right now because I must about 5 people are respond to me. So I don't really know what really are going in here. I don't know what really are going in here. Young DK, asked me the same thing yesterday. I tell you again. Every eve, me tell you, so you must say what you want to see. And y'all did not describe transformation to me, so there's none here. No, I don't have any question on that right now. So I only have about 6 or 5 people talking to me. What's going on, guys? Wanna have me off or something? No, tell me now. Tell me if you don't have me off. Talk to me, guys. You don't have me off or something? Because y'all being silent in this place and I don't know what's going on. Oh, people say no. All right, Omar. Okay. Think you don't have me off silently. And not say nothing to me. Oh, King is still the ball. Okay. I think he respond to me earlier. No, he never respond to me. Me no know. People have a different reasons to do things, you know. Because me there all I talk to nobody, nobody not talk to me all I there talk. I talk to myself. Either 5 or 4 people are respond to me question them. So me don't even understand or not. Or she talk too much. Or what really are going with her. Me don't know. So come guys, let's do this one. Y'all know I love you all, right? I don't know. Thank you, love. I really love this. So I'm getting B from Smart TV. Okay, okay. So a sum of money is to be shared among Yuri, Anna, and Mary. Number Mary, no sir. Kennedy with your glasses there. Maria in the ratio of 4 to 7 to 9. If Anna's share amounts to how much that? 1,295. Calculate the percentage of the total amount Maria receives. Go ahead, miss. Me now go ahead and do nothing. So let us start this one through, guys. All right. So they're saying that Anna share amount to 12. So Anna share amount to $1,295. So Anna get $1,295. If you look at the ratio, it's given accordingly. So this will be Yuri, that will be Anna, and this will be Maria. Keep saying Mary. Maria. Okay? So if you know Anna to be 7 parts, so 7 parts equal 1295. From here, if you find one part, you can find whatever Maria got to be 9 parts. So the easiest thing to do here is to go ahead and find one part. Okay? So you're going to have 1295 divided by 7. Cool? Do that for me. So find one part for me. So 1295 divided by 7. Excuse me. And that will give you 185. So one part is $185. We know why 7 because the ratio Ricey is 479 and the name are given accordingly. So I think they should have said respectively right here at the end. But they did not. And I did not write it because I never see it. But yeah. 185. Yeah, so one part is 185. Very good, Suzanne. So back to Ricey. Why 7? Because Yuri would have get 4, Anna would have get 7, and Maria would have get 9. Okay, so it's given accordingly. So having said that, with Anna at 7, so 7 is equal to 1,295, and you need to find one part to know where one part equal to. So you'll say so, miss, you could add the ratios and put the and the ratio that will give you 20 and place 9 over 20 times 100 times 100 over 1. You could do that too. Yeah, you could do that too. You could do that too. Yeah, you could do that too as well. So what Susan is saying, guys, that you could basically find the total parts. So total parts is equal to 4 plus 7 plus 9, and that will give you 20. Since, as you know, Maria is 9, so you'll say 9 out of 20 times 100%. Since as they want the percentage. Yes, shame again. Yes, Suzanne. Maria got 16. Who? Maria got 16. 65. Oh, you mean Maria will get 1665? Okay, yeah. If you're thinking about in terms of money. So if you guys chose to do it this way to find one part first, then I go back and say Maria got 9 parts, so it'll be 9 times 185. That will give you 1665. Then you say 1665 over the total parts, which will be 20 times 185 to give you 3,700. You simplify that as a fraction. You get 9 over 20 times 100, which will give you 45%. So I think this way is the simplest way. Yeah, the way is simpler. So find the total parts, then you put it as a fraction and multiply by 100. The way is simpler. On a serious way, but if you don't know this way, you can go ahead and find the one part and all those things first. But on a serious way, it's the way is simpler. Or I should say quicker to work. So I want to find the percentage that Maria received. It will be 45%. 9 over 20 times 100% to give you 45%. Everybody understand this one? Next question, guys. All right, very good, very good. Next question. Means how you got the 3,700. 20 times the 185. So 20 will be the total parts. 185 represent one part. So you would say 20 times 185 figure the entire amount of money that was shared up in the beginning. All right, so boom bang, that done, that done, that done, that done. Let's see what really I've gone on the paper here. All right. So boom bang, 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 boom bang. This done too. Boom bang. Alrighty. So after the question, then I drop one scale drawing question pan uno. So I'm seeing 9. So that's B for the answer. Alright. So I'm seeing B. For the answer here. Only 2 people talking to me so far. Where the rest of uno days? Where uno is, where uno are? Not sure. Go graphical. Not sure, go graphical. Graphical, you always find answer when you go graphical. So there are 30 students. In a class of 30 students, so 21 like math. So math equal 21. 12 like physics. So physics is equal to 12. And 6 likes neither. So neither is 6. So draw your 2 diagram. Put in what you know. So math and physics. So what we know so far, that neither will be outside of the 2 sets, but still in the Venn diagram. Okay? So the part that says neither would be 6, and that would be somewhere out here. We don't know what's common between both of them, because they're asking to determine the number of students who like both. So we know from that the sets will be intersecting. Like you will have it sharing something, because we understand what is here. So what is here is that we don't know. Cool. So we know in all 21 like math, but since we don't know this part, we have to say 21 minus x. Okay? For here is physics, right? Physics. And 12 like physics, but since we don't know this part, let's say 12 minus x. Cool? And we know the universal set there are 30 students in the class. So 13 all in the class. So we have two ways of doing this. We can choose to add up 21, 12, and 6 and subtract it from 30. Cool? To find what's in the middle here. Or we can say 30 is equal to 21 minus x plus 12 minus x plus 6. So everything here so is equal to 30. All right, you're going to be simplifying. So cancel what can cancel, add what can add, subtract what we subtract. So negative cancel negative right here. So 21 plus 12 plus 6 minus x is equal to 30. Cool? Add up these two, you'll get these three, you'll get 39 minus x is equal to 30. From here, we need to find the value of x. So we go ahead and we subtract 39 from both sides, or we can bring the x over and bring the 30 over. It's up to you. So I'm going to go 39 from both sides first. So negative 9 is equal to negative x. Divide or multiply by a negative 1. X is equal to 9. So we know 9 students do both math and physics. Or we can just say 21 plus 12 plus 6 is equal to 39 minus 30. And that will give you whatever is inside of the intersection part right here. But this method can only be worked if they give you the number of persons who like neither. You only can do this if you know the neither aspect of it. But if not, you feel free to do it this way, where you go ahead and you calculate until you get the value of x. And you know, x would be whatever is in both sets. So persons who say B for the answer, very good. Who have something different in their minds without saying it, y'all need to be sure that, ooh, my knees are me. Ow, ow, ow. You have to be sure that you go visual if you can't read and understand it on your own. Omar, let me know if that helped in any way. Talk to me, Omar. That helped in any way? Me just call him funny a while ago, Omar. Like me I try to draw it out or something. Osh. Okay, got it. Alrighty. Okay. No Omar not respond to me yet. Come guys, let's do this one. Man, come ahead. Jesus Christ. What's that? Living on true brush this. Let's go. You want to me go road. You can't hear me years ago road. I'm not come now. I'm put on one hat. Dang, I didn't want to do that. So yes, guys, come on, talk to me. So here we have something to do with scale drawing. It says a mothership was constructed using the scale 1 centimeter to 500. If a length on the mother is 4 centimeter, then the corresponding length of the real ship is. So we know, guys, once you have scale drawing going on right here, guys, we think about actual life actual distance and the distance and the in real life. All right, so whatever is given first is normally the one that's on the paper, and what is given after is the one in real life. So 1 centimeter on the paper represents 500 in real life. All right, so let's say I want to draw the map of Manchester. All right, you not even know how Manchester look right now. Something, no, something like so. Something like this, guy. Let's say this is Manchester. Cool? And I know that from here, from point A to point B, let's say this is you see a number, so 4. Let's say that is 4 centimeter. But the scale I'm using to draw this, guys, is a 1 to 500. 1 to 500. C shouldn't be 2 meter. C shouldn't be 2 meter alone. What am I saying? Oh, you get 2 meter alone. All right, guys. So in real life, the point between, think about the distance, like from your house to up at the police station or the clinic or whatever you live nearest to, and any public building you live nearest to. All right. In real life, it couldn't be 4 centimeter. Cause if you think about 4 centimeter, guys, then look for one ruler. The ruler then. That I want very, very short something. That even less than 1 baby footsteps. See this, guys. So 4 centimeter would be basically this part, guys. So we know that this couldn't be the distance in real life. So we say that this is the distance on the map, and it represents this in real life. All right. So they gave us the ratio, the scale to use as 1 to 500. So 1 centimeter on the map represents 500 in real life. All right. So you have to understand that part first. Which of them represent in real life and which of them represent the distance on the map. So here, the first one, distance on the map. The last portion in real life. Cool? So 4 centimeter on the map would be equal to some distance in real life. So what we normally do is to go ahead and line them up. So centimeter on the map. So I'm going to put map right here, so I'm going to put real life over here, so I'm going to put real life. So we know 4 centimeter on the map represents some centimeters in real life. So what we have to do, guys, is to basically cross multiply. So we're going to have 1 times x is equal to 4 times 500. And that will give us what? 20,000 or 2,000? 2,000. Then go tell me I'm not sharp today. You give us 2,000, guys. And that 2,000 is in centimeter. Alright? So we're asked to represent our answers in say meter on the paper here, sir? You not see no meter on the paper, no. If you can look at the shape. They should have said in meter, but I don't know. Then did there. So we need to convert our answers for 2,000 here to meters. So kick him down, mister. Don't commit murder. So we're at centimeter right here. We want to get to meters. We're going to move 1, 2. Each movement is a multiple of 10. So it's going to be divided by 100. So we're going to move 2 places to the left. And you'll get 20 meters for your answer. So 4 centimeter on the diagram will represent 20 meter in real life. It's C. Yes, King, it's C. So C is the answer for that one. So for scale drawing, guys, I know that most teachers, they don't teach scale drawing. I don't want to them not understand it, but I know most people don't teach it. Even some of my colleagues, them left it out until the last part of the school year, if they get to it or so. But them left it out completely. But yeah, guys, the basic wage. The basic wage of $8 per hour for 40-hour work week is given to employees at a certain company. All right? So, after you find the basic wage, you're going to do what you're going to say. And how much you work per hour for how long you work. So, it's going to be 8 times 40 right there if you want to find that person basic week. But in this case, they didn't say that. So, it's overtime is paid time and a half. You're asked to calculate the overtime wage for an employee who works 6 hours overtime in a certain week. So calculate the, I see the answer right this a while ago. No? Difference in she answered to. Susanna, what are you answering to this one? Are you responding to this one? So guys, the most important thing from this question is to know how much they pay per hour. Okay, I hear you. How much they pay per hour? So they pay $8 per hour. Cool. And they say they pay at a time and a half. And y'all know what time and a half means, right? Yes? So time and a half mean for 1 hour, you're going to be paid $8. That means for half hour, that would be a half. So for half hour, you'd pay half, you get to pay off half of this, which is going to be 4. So if they say time and a half, that means you're going to be paid 1.5 of the particular of that money. So in this case, you'll be paid $12 per hour if you work overtime. So for the overtime, for time and a half mean 1.5. For time and a half is equal to $12 per hour. So once you're working time and a half, you're getting $12 per hour. If they say they double the money, you'll know you have to add up 8 2 times and multiply, you get 16. You then say you work double overtime. But in this case, it's time and a half. So time and a half here would mean you're getting the $8 plus half of what you normally get, which is going to be $4. So for the hour, if you work overtime and get extra hours, you're going to get $12 every hour after that. Okay? So guys, here the person works 6 hours extra. So they want to know what is this person's overtime wage for this particular week. So because the person works 6 hours, going to be $12 times 6 to give us $72 the person gets in all. Let me know if you all understand what this is saying. I'm see only 2 or 3 people respond to me so far, or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respond to me. So let me know if you understand what it's saying, guys. No. All right. Okay. Okay. Rewind. Bring back the big tune one more time. Okay, Janelle. Okay. Like you should. All right, guys. See it here. So let me ask a question first. If you work a particular week and they say if you work overtime, let's say you work and you get $10 per hour. Anybody can answer this one. You get $10 per hour. And they say once you go overtime, you're going to get double. How much would be the overtime rate? You're getting double what you normally get. What could be your overtime rate? Remember, no numbers, guys, all right? Unless you're gonna delete it after you write it. So what's gonna be your overtime rate, guys? All right, 20. Oh, we know say 20 because this word double here means twice or 2 times the money. So whatever you get normally, they normally get $10. If them say them gonna double the money, mean you're gonna get 2 times this money or other money twice. Up to you. So you know you're gonna get $20 if you work double. If they say they're gonna pay you time and a half, all right, that means they're gonna pay you for the normal time, which is $10 you normally get, and they're gonna pay you half of this money for the part that says half. So time and a half. So get your full time money plus half of that money. So time and a half will be $15. If it was time and 3/4, you find 3/4 of 20. If you all see what I'm saying. So because it's time and a half, you're gonna say 3/4 of the money. Where do I point on this money? Of this money. So because it's a time and a half, guys, you're gonna get the normal money plus half of this money to give you $15 for time and a half. Alright? Good. Oh, Anisha. Soon talk to you pretty. So because you're gonna pay time and a half, guys, you're gonna get the $8 that they normally give to you plus half of that money. So for the overtime money, you're gonna be for the hour. If you work overtime, you're gonna be paid $12 for every hour that you work. But this person works 6 hours overtime. So if you want to know how much money overtime money you gonna add up to, you know, so if you work 6 hours, it's gonna be 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 12. If you add up that, or you can say 12 times 6, get the same 72. So for the 6 hours, the person here will be making 72 hours for the 6 hour overtime window. So what did they ask you guys for the gross salary of this person? What would be this person's gross salary? 4 so 32. Put the answer right here. So hold on, let me say me can write answer, me can choose from me. How let me money? 70. That would have left 70. That would have left with 250. Take out 248. What did they ask for the gross salary, guys? Of this person. What ID you mean? So the gross salary would mean the overtime plus his basic wage. So gross salary mean overtime plus basic wage, meaning in could get one commission here, so in could get one bonus or whatever this may be. But either commission, bonus, overtime pay or whatever it may be. So we need to know his basic wage first. So they say $8 per hour for 40-hour work week. Okay? So we know that for this week he worked 40 hours and get paid $8. So to find his basic wage, you'll say 8 times 40, and that will give you $320. Okay? I hope everybody is following me. So I want to find his basic wage because he works $8 per hour for 40 hours. You'll say 8 times 40 to give you $320. We found overtime. Let's see if we not see paper good. So we found overtime earlier to be 70. Is the same paper here? So we found overtime earlier to be 72. All right, if you can't see the screen, guys, expand the page for me. All right, we found the overtime to be $72. Okay, so to know his gross salary, how much he might go home with, it's gonna be 320 plus the 72 to give us 392. So his gross salary is $392, and that will be at B right here. So gross salary is gonna be the overtime plus the basic wage. If he received the commission, it will be the commission plus the basic wage. If he get one bonus, it's gonna be the bonus plus the basic wage. Miss, take home is not gross. No, take home is not gross. Take home is after the tax and whatever come out of it. That's how you take home pay. When you deduct tax and everything out of it, that's gonna be a take home pay. But they didn't tell us anything about tax here, so I mean, yeah, but net pay is also known as the take home pay. So let's go again, guys. So gross salary, overtime plus basic wage. It could be commission plus basic wage. It could be a bonus plus basic wage. Yeah, net. It's called net salary. Yeah, take home pay. Yeah, and it could be. What's the put now? Maybe tips a person receive plus basic wage. Like in restaurants, you get tip and you have to share with everybody. So you get the basic wage and the tip you go home with for that particular time. So we'll say 8 times 40 to give you 320 plus the overtime to give you 392. I hope y'all understand that part. All right, so I have a question for you all to do on vectors. So let us go. And program that. So I'm gonna do more than question here. So do more. All right, guys. Is Khan here, guys? I haven't seen Khan all day. Is Khan here? Yeah, I just did. My bad. I just did. I just realized it wasn't showing. You don't understand this one either, I see? So here we are given the figure, not drawn to scale, shows the point 0, 0, as that's origin, shows the point A, 5, 0, and it shows the point. No, wrong question, may I read? Wrong question, may I read? Okay, so I say OP and OR are position vectors with respect to O, which is the origin. All right, so OP, OR are position vectors with respect to O, the origin. So they're saying the point P is 2, 7 and the PR is 4, negative 3. So we are asked to calculate the vector of OR in the form AB. All right, let's see. So so don't let the part about the basic wage trouble you. We can talk some more about that. All right, I see. So let's focus on this one. So bring back your attention right here, I see. So they say they want to just think about position vector. You know, so it comes from the origin. They say P and the OP and OR are respect to the origin. That means there are points on this. So P, then say a 2, 7. If you put 2 right here, so 7, so 1% go there. So P would be somewhere up here. OR is somewhere in this quadrant, but where we're not sure as yet. But we know that they'll be moving 4 units on the x-axis between P and R. So we know that from P going down to R, they're gonna be moving some 4 units. So we know already that we can figure from this, guys, to say that, let me show you my talk. So we know PR would be the vector from P to somewhere R, right? So we know P would be our starting point. I hope everybody's seen this part. So P would be the starting point, guys. Okay? And if you go to R, you mean you're going to be moving some unit X and some unit down. So from P, which is 2 on the x-axis, you're going to be moving 4 this way. How me know that? Because right here, so, is 4. So now you're going to be moving 4 this way and you're going to be moving 3 down, something. Something like that. So you're going to be 4 this way and you're going to be going down 3. This already said that to me. Look at it, guys. This is telling me that already. So PR, you're going that way. So you're going to move X first. Then you move Y. So you're going to go this way, positive. You're going to go down. It's going to be negative. I hope you all are seeing that part. Okay? So if you want to, you can locate R somewhere down here. But right now, I'm not sure where that is. Based on this, me really can't tell. But you can do the calculation method. All right, so you can say PR would be PO. So remember, it's from the origin, so it's going this way. Cool. So OP is going this way. OR is somewhere over here. We don't know where exactly yet, but we know that it's going that way. So we want to go PR. So we want to go PO plus OR. Cool? We were given the vector for PR to be 4, -3. See it right here. So 4, -3. OP is giving us 2, 7. But I want to go PO. And I keep saying this to you, and I hope you remember that once you're going to be changing your direction, you make the magnitude negative. You negate it. So you make them negative. So let me put this. So OP is 2, 7. So PO would be the negative of that. So -2, -7. All right. So equal -2, -7. And we want to find OR. So guys, the battery went down. My bad. So pardon me on that one. The battery went down, guys. I didn't even realize. All right. So as I was saying, my bad. The battery went down, guys. So I just plugged it in. So we should be okay. As I was saying, guys, we need to find OR. So we're going to bring all of this on the other side. So bring -2, -7 on the other side. Where can I put that? I want a piece of paper. Because that can't hold no way right here. So right now, I need paper. All right. Hey, Cohen, welcome. All right, so we're going to bring it over on that side. I hope you guys can see this the same. So I'm going to bring it over. So it's going to be 4, -3 plus 2, 7 is equal to OR. What up, man? Is equal to OR. So 4 plus 2 is 6. -3 plus 7 is 4. So OR is equal to B, and that is 6, 4. So people who say 6, 4 for your answer. Yeah, that's the answer. 6, 4. Only get 2, 10. Only get that from. Remember, so when one negative go over the equal sign, have you change the sign? Or have you add this on both sides? Remember that? P. So. Now remember that, guys? And even if you want to work back way, you still to get back the same answer. So we get OR to be 6, 4, guys. So let's try something. I'm showing you say for persons who got something different for the answer, let me show you guys something. So we found OR. So we can write smaller today. So we find OR to be 6, 4. We know PO is -2, -7. If we want to find PR, which is right here, so PR is equal to PO plus OR. So PO is -2, -7. Hey, Kenroy, welcome. And OR is 6, 4. If you add these two, -2 plus 6, -7 plus 4, you should get by the answer with the right here. So if you want to work back, let me show you. So that gives us 4, that gives us -3. So PR is equal to 4, -3. You see that, guys? So sometime in the exam, guys, when you work these questions and you want to know if you answer right or wrong, you just basically put back in what you got. So say we get OR to be 6, 4. If you that's a drop back. If you should put it back right here and simplify this part, it should give you the answer that they gave you in the original question. So that's how we go about finding. That's how we go about finding OR, guys. So let me know if you understand this. Most problem persons have is basically turning back on a vector. So if you know OP, to find PO, you have to make the vector negative. You have to negate the magnitude, and some people still have challenges doing that. So let me know if you understand, guys. I see Rice put the answer and delete it earlier. I don't know when delete the before, but I guess you can do what you want to do, though. So guys, talk to me, please, and thanks. Talk to me. I'm coming to live with. No, sir, you're jail people. Come. All right, Smart TV say no. So tell me which area you don't understand, Smart TV. Tell me which area you don't understand. And I'll go from there. So tell me where you don't understand from. Let me see if I can retrack. To hold my yard full of nice Johnny, I'm looking at you and saying, you're that mad. You tell me, see, you nobody want to come, you want to go back home, I tell you. You looking at them. But they're fun to be around, though. I like with them. Come to Smart TV, talk to me now. Identifying which one to subtract from. All right, so all right. I saw all on the color. Let me tell her something. So Smart TV right here, PQ. So the first letter you see is normally the starting point, okay? So it's PQ. What PQ? PR is equal to PO plus OR. If you didn't want to do it this way, since as you know you want to find OR, you could have subtracted OR from both sides from right here. So you could have said PR equal PO plus OR. You could say you're going to subtract OR from both sides. So subtract OR, subtract OR. So P, Kennedy, this may I move. PO. What may I think about? Because OR one fine. So subtract PO from both sides. So PR minus PO is equal to OR. Since as you want to find OR, you can transpose from here. So when you transpose from here, when you're going to be writing, dang, this paper are full of writing, man. Subtract OR from this. When you're going to be putting in the points, you know that PR minus PO is equal to OR. So PR is positive 4, negative 3 minus PO, which is this, negative 2, negative 7 is equal to OR. Cool? This will tell you that 4 minus 2, negative 3 minus 7. 2 negatives will make a positive. Hey, Alana, hello, welcome. So from here, you see that 4 plus 2 give you 6. Negative 3 plus 7 will give you, what number? 4 will give you 4. And so OR is equal to 6, 4. So if you didn't want to do it like this, you could have done it like this by transposing to making OR the subject from early. Because this part normally gives people error. And not just you, several persons that have taught before have the same problem. So what you can do, the safest thing to do is, since that's the same, must find OR. And you know, OR is PR minus PO. You basically transpose from early. Okay, you can do that and it will help you. That's the way I did it. Okay, Suzanne, very good. You see? So you can do it that way. I mean, I tell you, it's gonna work. So when you're gonna be transposing, you won't make any error while doing that. All right. I hope I add clarity to that question for you. So welcome, Mayors. How are you doing? I think it's the first time I'm seeing you here, but I appreciate you coming by. Let's go, guys, for another one. Oh my God, come again? Jesus Christ, not tell me that. God Almighty, today again, Jesus. We can't do this. We can't do this. Let's go for this one, guys. Let's go for this one. Let's stay positive, all right? So, right, he's saying 6. King on King, come. Come on, King. Let's do this. Hey, Khan. Let's stay focused, guys. It's not the first time we're seeing things like these, all right? Let's stay focused. So, persons are saying C for the first one. Okay. So, want to find W, O, Y. Oh. So people know what's going on. So angle the center is twice angle the circumference. So if up here, so yeah. Yes, can. I was asking for you just now, you know. So right here, we know this angle, you know. So that would be our C. Very good, guys. Very good. And I hope everybody saw that. Yeah. So let's go for, would that be OWY. So OWY. So right here, we want to find this one. Hey, Jam. Welcome. I just saw that you did a premiere thing. I have to go watch it, Jam. I'm like, heck, I'm on the live and she's promoting the thingy. But I'm going to go view it when I'm finished. I went by earlier because I saw the notification. So I went by and gave my thumbs up already. There's no need to go, you know, do the rest of it. So OWY, guys. So you see right here. Very good, Ricey. Very good. So OWY, guys. If you can't see, they can always take the triangle out. Because you know, see your exam paper. So you make it what you want it. All right. So O. So the angle up here at O is 100. All right. If you look at OW and OY, you'll see that it's excuse me, they are radius, guys. So the two radii here. So know that this length is equal to this length. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. All right, because base angles are equal in isosceles triangle. So we know that the top part here, O, angle at O, is 100. And if these two lengths are equal, these two angles are equal. So angles in a triangle equal to 180. We know one angle to be 100. If you subtract them, you'll get 80. Let me answer there. People don't want to answer many papers, huh? 46 that. Let me get 46 here, so. Can somebody tell me, let me get 46 here, so? Now that me I see right, see no answer. Let me fix it. I must 40 for the day, because when I put 46. I must 40 for the day, so guys. Yeah. Let me see what's going on. So tell me the answer for that one, guys. So okay, W is 40. Yeah, very good. Khan. Yes, Zan. That was supposed to be 40, guys. My bad. Jam is saying I'm going to run the CXC playlist. Oh, thank you, Zan. Jam. Thank you. And the triangle is 180. No answer, miss. Yeah, me realize. Cell reacts. We got a playlist for buyer. LOL, no answer. Wondering where the answer was. Look here, no know say me no. Look here, no say me. It's un loco. At times. At times, guys, me crazy. At times, I just read some stuff there. I just put the answer there, guys. So the answer is at C. So that's 40. So we have 80 to be the answer. We divide this by 2 because base angles are equal. So the answer is 40. Boom, bang. There we go. Zime? Wanna get it? Today, feeling... What? Today, feeling lonely. Boy, I got to go by the book. You better feel. Boy, you feel lonely. You got to go by a book. Yeah? That's what exam time. You mean you feel lonely. Feel lonely about what? No, sir. We laugh today, not pretty again. Alright, guys. Very good on that one. I like the way you guys approach the question. Let's go for this one. I don't know why this paper is running from me now, guys. I don't know what's going on right here. But this paper is running like a thief in the night. You know, so I'm soon gonna leave, you know, because it plays like at 9 o'clock. So I'm going to 2 more questions, and then we're going to want homework, and are going to run out of this place. That's the question. I'm going to do homework. Guys, it's a nice question. I'm not even going yet, you know. My God, me feel weird. So come, guys, let's do this one. Let's match up this one. Let's go. So we know that once we want to find the interquartile range, we need to go ahead and arrange our data in order. Then we say Q3 minus Q1, but we must first find our median. Cool? So let's go ahead and do that part. I'm going to do the listing for you. So arrange the data in order to 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 11. Yeah. Find the median, 300 said. So that's the Q2. Find the median. Then I find half of this part. Remember the 8 is not supposed to be in it. So Q1 comes first. Then Q3 comes after. So we're going to say Q3 minus Q1 to give us 9 minus 6, which is equivalent to 3. But the median is 8. What you say? But 8 is the median. Yeah, 8 is Q2, the median. Yes. Of course, it's right here. I did it. But it's a one interquartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1. So I put IQR right here. So, okay, you just stating it. All right. So Q3 minus Q1, 9 minus give you 3. And the answer is at D. Guys, I love this one. Everybody get this right? Because too much of time you're going to do. I'm supposed to know this like the back of your hand. By now. I'm supposed to know this like the back of your hand. If you don't have one spot around there, you're not going to know because I saw this go. All right, next question. Saturday the marathon, Saturday. Me start write some questions already, even though me tired already. But yeah, me start do some questions already. Boy, go away. You try delete the number out of my life. Delete the number out of my life. About 24 hours. You mad? 24 hours? Do master. No, that can't stress me out right now. That may make you know. 24 hours. I'm gonna have to start earlier, guys. When I can reach out earlier, I'm gonna start earlier. So I can spend more time with accommodate more people. So I'm gonna start the marathon earlier Saturday. Hopefully I'm gonna sleep early on my bed. Yeah, and on Monday I gonna be the big show. Monday I gonna be the big show, guys. Monday I gonna be the big show. I mean, no, so I'm not gonna shell it down. Anyhow, I'm do the question for yourself right here, so. Me know. So I'm ready. Like Freddy. For what come at you. Me know. I mean, for the marathon, guys, I won't be going like step by step through all the questions. Once everybody get it right, me gonna just say yes and me just move over. What do you think? Shake my head, miss. I'm gonna. Oh, you mean you're gonna miss it? You know, rewatch it, man. Rewatch it, man. You can rewatch it. You can replay it, man. Yeah, you already like Freddy. Me like that. That me want to hear. Already like Freddy. Shell done something. They know say can rule. Come, do this question. I'm if you're going to do this for the homework. What do you say? Homework for the question here? You want to talk to me, you know? You want to talk to me if I homework the question here for be? King would be able to share the physics marathon. Miss, I like to watch it like. Ooh. Those are. Okay, Bazzy, I hear you. Can I text it? Zan, you on Instagram, Zan? Plus, it's going to be long. By that time, I should begin to watch. So Susan is saying the answer is B. Okay. King is saying no, it's at my school. I would have to go there. Oh. Okay. You have something named Instagram, Zan? I could put my Instagram name in here so you can send me the picture of the something where you say you know I write with numbers and whatever in here, so. And I can respond to you there and give you a whole heap of details coming up. Every question you're gonna ask me come from them people, eh? What you can't strike me page for no reason, so ALECIA Alicia Kennedy. So my name here, Zan. You know, you're on Facebook then. If you're on Facebook, look for the name here. And you can message me there. Send me a picture there or something. Or after the LS, you can type it under, after the live stream, you can type it under any video. And we will find it. Or comment on the one of the community posts and we will find. I don't want to do it another something here because we never find the people them. I mean, no problem with them. You understand what I say? So yeah, guys. So what's the answer for this one, guys? Come on, what's the answer for this one? No, come on, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. I'm here, Alka, big up, keep grinding. Oh. Alright, Germany's, big up yourself. Me see you comment. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Who is talking to me? I see a comment just coming. Hold on, guys. Miss, I have paper for you to correct. I could send it on IG. Yeah, do that now. Do that. Miss, rectangle is length times width. Yeah. Rectangle is length times width. So, guys, how would you find the area of the shaded region right here, Miss? Okay. Zan, why I'm saying you can do that, Zan, because if it's a question from them people, it's because we don't know who is watching us and who is here. I don't want them to be saying that I am doing questions from them and all of that. You understand? And they can either deflag the page or something, and I don't want that to happen. So if you put under the comment section or under any video, I can just respond to you as if I'm just seeing it. You understand what I'm saying? So that's the reason why I'm just saying that to you. But yeah. Hope you understand. So guys, so this should be the homework then, because people not really talk to me. So this should be the homework then. It looks so. No, it look like a no one. This will be the homework. Alright. I'm not killing no. If you know want to be the homework, make it be the homework then. I'm not killing no, guys. Miss I did. Daniel is saying B. Oh, people respond. Okay. So Connie saying B, Jamar saying B. Okay, I didn't see the responses. Okay. A from Jamar. B from Janelle. Okay, me just see the responses. Them coming thinking no not talk to me now. Cause me say watch ya. Come Ricey. What's night chat again? Ricey, Zan King. Who was night chat? What people remember their name, you know? Simone, Smart TV. Where y'all gone? Campbell, you know, I'm not here from after 8:02 your time, 7:02 my time. What really are going on, guys? Watch out. I'm saying, every time I see that face, I have to smile. Ken Rai, where you guys gone? No, come on, talk to me. So persons are saying help. All right. So we know, guys, the area of the shaded region. You see me put some asterisk thing here or whatever with shaded region right here. So it's gonna be the area of the rectangle. Cool. Minus, so D from Kenroy, all right, minus the area of the square. All right, Campbell, I'm going through it right now. So area rectangle minus area of the square. All right, rectangle we're going to be length times width. That's how I write my L, guys. Let me put the bottle in. So that's length times width. The square is going to be length times length or length square. Okay? Why minus? Because it's like you're taking out, you want to find whatever the here, so you have to take out the part here first, because the part here hinder you from finding the area, the complete thing. So the shaded region is basically the part here. So what's hindering you? If this wasn't there, you basically find the area of everything that's here. Okay, of this rectangle, because the square is in it. You have to find area of whatever is around the square. So you have to take out the square and pretend subtract whatever the square is. Cool? People talking to me? Okay, no. So from this, guys, you see length times width minus L square. So far, we don't see anywhere there. But we can go ahead and factorize right here, so. Because you see that length is common between both of them. So take out the length. You're going to left with width minus length. Tell me if you all seen this. Tell me if all of you have seen this one here. So, yeah, the end answer is A. Yeah, guys. It couldn't be D, because D here, so I tell you about perimeter. We don't know about the perimeter. D here, so I tell you about perimeter of the rectangle. We never ask about that, it's the area. So the answer couldn't be D. Cool? I hope you all understand that one. I can't go any simpler way to explain that. You have not a rectangle minus area the what that name? Area the square. I don't know any simpler way to explain it, guys. It's just simple as that and clear as that. I don't know. Or if me can say that. Alright. Idris is in the building. Why not B? Because B is saying length times width minus length. And length here is not any formula we find in any Miss, if it was rectangle, we could use the n times width minus length times width. If it was two rectangles, you're saying? If it was a rectangle, we could use LW minus LW. If it was two rectangles, if this big one a rectangle and this small one a rectangle as well, you could use the LW, yeah. But in this case, because I want square now, we have to use, whoa, math still popping. Yes, Nai, yes. We're here, girl, we're having fun. Yeah, yes, Smart TV, I get what you're saying, yeah. So, guys, Miss, I said earlier in the chat, you did not acknowledge me. Really? I'm sorry. I didn't see that, Susan. I don't know what distracted me. I didn't see that. But you know, so when me see me the answer to you, man. Sorry, man. Sorry. My bad. All right, guys. So may I give you one more question? And then we are going to get a homework. Then tomorrow I'll see you all again. Y'all agree with the 4:30 time. So, yeah. Tomorrow again, 4:30 me soon. So after this question, we're gonna be work. Ooh, watch here. No, watch here. What question to be this? So 7? My bad, guys. So who is ready for next month? Everybody in my chat ready. Everybody ready. Even they not even respond to me. They know they're ready. Look at it, better go away. Natalie said she has study for something. Say they about my GF when it comes to you, I mean, they got prison. The year Natalie at 14. Me just need to revise. Yeah, me know. And stop tell yourself, say you don't know this stuff, then that's your problem so far, I see. I mean, oh, me I got drill in your brain. I've been trying to drill it in your brain, but it's not working. The persons are saying the answer is A. So remember, guys, we equate the matrix. So according to cell, so cell 1, cell 2, cell 2. And you go down until you find whatever you're looking for. So we'll have 2x plus 1 is equal to 7. 14. Where 14 there? Where you put that number on my screen for you? King, where you find 14 on this? Open the brain and put it in. I would love to. If I could open your brain and put in everything in it, may I tell you, me that surely do it. But that's not possible. Unless you know me charge murder. And me know say no hate me that much. Cause me do nothing in here, so you could get up have a good brain and hate me. So let's go, guys. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 7. They are in the same cell, so you equate them. Okay? And we're going to equate 4 and 8. So 4y is equal to 8 divided by 4 on both sides. That cancels. So y is equal to 2. So y equal 2 is so far in 3 of these. So let's see what this part says. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 7. Subtract 1, subtract 1. So 2x is equal to 6. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equal to 3. So the answer is at A. Big up on yourself. Large and tall in here. Let me see what's going on. Alright, maybe we can take one next question then. Alright, so one more period, guys. And then we're gonna shut off and we'll go with different board. If you have any requests, guys, feel free to. No homework, but yeah. Here, but no, come guys. Look, let me please and tell can't we go sit down? Homework they're right here, so. Straight A profile. Of course, that should be a capital A, right? Not a common A. Yeah, capital A. I spoke too soon. Yeah, you did. No, the one see homework here, so. Nice question here. See homework here, so. You see it? Yeah, they're right here, so if I don't know if you come. Wait. Or up on maths up the one here. I'm going to do the homework for do. And I can. Voila. So go ahead, guys. You can either divide by 5 on both sides or you can remove the bracket. It's up to you. What's easiest for you, you do it and make it work. Okay? Miss some of the problems I sent from long time on your Instagram. Please help me with them. All right, I'll go back through it, right? See? I'll go back through them, okay? You have to understand, I must about 7 people make me a text on Instagram at the same time, 7 different people. Or so I think I 7 or more, because some friends still message me too. So 7 or more, I respond to that in the Instagram. Normally when people say when you hard, you respond to messages, I don't like them at all. But yeah. So I'm seeing A from Campbell. Let's see if we're making an A sound for this question, guys. Let's see what's popping in here. I want to say thanks to you. Thanks to you all for supporting me on this journey, guys. Thanks for sticking out. Thanks for participating. Even though some people not say nothing, me really appreciate nonetheless. You know? Thank you, dears. Yes, let me go the paper, me. Check your DM. All right, guys, let's go with this question. We're going to have a negative 5p plus 5, the sign here, less than equal to 35. Or you want to divide by 5 on both sides first. You can do that as well. Maybe some people do that. Oh, that's 7. I think I 7 that. So right here, we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So that will give us 30. So 5p less than that. We divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. That cancel. And just 2 people respond to me so far. So I don't really know what I'm going. So P, 1 cent for the year, so. And that will give me what? Negative 6. So guys, remember, when you are dividing or multiplying by a negative number, you change the sign. So whatever sign they here, so do the opposite of it. So P is greater than or equal to negative 6. All right, we all need to remember that. So far, me not see the answer from nobody. Young DK, put the answer when me say the answer well. I think you're smart, you stay there. You know? But not no wrong still. At least you don't get it. No matter. -1, -1. P, turn the sign. -6. So we all have to remember, guys. So change sign. Divide or multiply by a negative number. You hear that? You all have to remember that, guys. Cool? Please, me, I beg you no do. So much time I tell you, please. Do, me, I beg you no. I had it. Man, it was canker. Little L had it. Man, but was calculating. Okay, very good. At least in your mind, you know, say on paper you can match it up. Me like that. Yeah. I hope you all understand this question. I work in 2 different ways. So y'all know that there is no one way of approaching this thing. Once you get the answer, I understand what you did. Way to Jericho you went. And you go. Alright? So guys, see homework here. I love it all on you. I thank you very much for sticking around with me. Y'all need to saddle up for Saturday marathon. You know, go normal, bring your snacks because you're go hungry. I'm sure that. I'm sure so you're not go hungry Saturday, guys. So bring up on a snack Saturday. Put it beside on the computer, beside on the phone, or wherever you sit down and walk with it. Boy, she doing something, boy. Oh, what am I talking about? I'm not telling you what I'm talking about. Good night. My favorite teacher, maths, YouTube maths teacher. Okay, young DK, good night. Guys, say the homework. Somebody is saying 200 already for the answer is B. Okay, Zan, I see you. But you know, say me not the answer. Because the last time Rice, he told me that when I give hints, I give away the answer. So I'm not going to really say nothing right now. That'll be the first question for tomorrow's live. So if you come tomorrow, you'll know if the answer is correct or not. Right, see, I must stop giving out hints. See, I must stop giving out hints. I'll be telling the answers to you all. And I don't want you all to get the answers through me. So guess what? Me don't talk, master. Me don't talk. How long is the marathon, miss? It's gonna be so we're working the time. It was normally 1 o'clock, so hopefully you come before 1 o'clock. It's normally 6 to 7 hours. Cool? Normally 6 to 7 hours. But me know me can't come earlier, me come earlier. And accommodate people who can't come late. So Miss Kennedy, please be safe on the road and be careful. Don't want anything happening to you. Alright, thank you. Give us hints. No? Boy, go ahead. Boy, bye. No, not even one hit me not give you. See, you can't stay there. 6 to 7 hours. Yeah. That the last live last for. Saturday gone, me couldn't do it because me did feel sick. But this Saturday now, even me sick, me a push out because me know the exam is gonna be Monday. So me have to come go to my last support. You see me I say? You're gonna be sick? Then nobody come. Your face, look. No, guys, look my kind face, guys. No, not talking true. Look my kind face in my live stream. Say must be about 6 emoji. Hey, no more than 3 emoji. You hear me say? And that may make you do. Right? So me not giving you no hint. And what y'all say? Yeah. A simple maths that not no time got the time run off. Me I tell you no. If you don't enjoy the class, if you not going to dead vibes, no time. 12 your time. Yeah, 12 o'clock my time. So 12 o'clock Jamaica time, and if the other places it's gonna be a little motivational live. When you have motivational live, right? See? I don't know, so I can't talk, you know. If about talking, master, I'm go front class. Young D came, but we can't use numbers, alright? So you're gonna have to do a number there. But yeah, guys. Tell me want a motivational life, but me give you my right, because you know me love talk. And you hear about talking me there front of line. And and all the time I like talk too, but yeah, most of the time we talk. Some scene C. Zan, why you keep changing your answer? I don't understand your Sunday, miss. Sunday, you better go away. Rochelle. It was a good math evening with you, miss. Look at your face. So you come all this time and not even say one word to me, Rochelle. No, so we live now? Alright, Rochelle. Alright. Right, see? Even the most I response Sunday. Me, the master. You better allow me alone. Sunday would be the best. Sunday you go rest your brain. Sunday go rest your brain and go and know two formulas for your multiple exam. You must be mad. Sunday you go rest your brain. But the motivational life could go on Sunday though. Just come and chill and talk. You could go Sunday if you wanted to go Sunday. Make Rochelle stay, but that was a good life. I'm happy to hear that, Rochelle. Say they're going to have your teeth. I'm happy to hear that. Come from live and don't say one word. Just imagine that. But it's alright. So Sunday, guys, don't pressure your brain Sunday. Not care if you're a person that will last minute. Make your brain rest, guys, and see you can get to function effectively on the paper when the time comes. But so no homework here. Yeah, so no homework here, guys. Tomorrow gonna be the first question that we go through. I want to say thanks to everyone for being here, for supporting me, for participating, for giving all those jokes, those clean jokes. I appreciate you all. Okay, guys? So feel free to reach out to me on those social media if you want help with any little thing. Or leave a comment on that video and I'll always respond to you. As you all know, smart you saying that. Have a good night, miss. Thanks again. You're most welcome, Campbell. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. So yeah, guys. Kenrai, are your homework? This is your homework. One hint I can give you is to find one part. If you know 8 parts is equal to something, find one part and you can find the entire whole. Alright? So you can find one part first. Or 1% first. Then you find the entire thingy. That's one hint I can give. I like the undercovers to be able to come to. I understand. Because me still like that sometimes. Go on people live stream and only sometimes we say hello. Sometimes I go down safe the whole time and don't say a word. And me just give me thumbs up and me read the comments and laugh if they make the joke or something. Apart from that, I may not say anything either. So I'm not really going to say something to you about that because I am just like that too. But I'm happy that you came by though. I really appreciate you guys being here with me. But guess what, guys? I got to go on the road because we have 30 minutes before the place close, even though it takes me 4 minutes to reach there, or 5. But me still need to go. Miss the first question was for the question. My Wi-Fi. Oh, okay. Now, Zan, something going for your Wi-Fi. Zan? Something not going for your Wi-Fi. Me have another one tomorrow. Yeah, I have a live every day until Saturday. Every day on Saturday. Macy is going to stress me out and I don't like going to bed. So please, wait. Yeah, but your face. You stay there. Okay, have a good night, guys. Have a good night. And Rice, you can stay there about stress me out. If you go to bed, stress to my time. So find one part. Think about solving it like ratios and find one part and match up the thing, Ricey. You can do this. Trust your instincts. You can even send me the answer before you come on the live tomorrow on Instagram. Because you know I'm going to respond to you. So yeah, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. I love and appreciate you all. Okay? So take care. Until tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys. Good night. Good night.